Good morning to all Indian colleagues and senior professors, professionals, and good evening to all US eminent professors who have joined today for this decennial year celebration. So first of all, I wanted to thank you to all the TRG members who has shown faith in me and given me opportunity to serve as the president of TRG. It's obviously a big responsibility as well as challenge for me to live up to your expectation and to take forward the TRG to new height. But I am happy to note that I have full support of my new executive board members team, who is a good blend of young and energetic people along with the experienced minds. So I am sure such a blend of executive board members will be able to take the TRG forward. I heartily admire the founding as well as the outgoing president, Professor Ashish Verma, for his sincere and tireless effort throughout the last 1 decade to establish the TRG as well as bringing the TRG to this stage. He worked as a one-man army, like our mountain man, Mr. Maji, or maybe we can refer as like forest man, Mr. Jadhav. So without waiting for much expectation from other transport professionals, he had taken this forward most of the time single-handedly as well. So it's result of his tireless effort and people who have joined subsequently in this novel endeavor that TRG is well known today worldwide. Our team will try to take the TRG to next level, crossing the high standard which has been already set by the previous team. And in this endeavor, we seek the support and cooperation from all the transport fraternity from India as well as from other countries. Now I will introduce my new TRG Executive Board members, and subsequently we will discuss about the priorities of this new EB members. So, I am the president of TRG, and then Dr. Srinivas Arkatkar will be the vice president from SVNIT Surat. Dr. Avjit Maji will be the executive secretary from IIT Bombay. Dr. Siddharth Rokde will be treasurer from Manit Bhopal. Then other members of new executive board will be like this. Professor Verma as a former president, he will be part of the new EB. Then Dr. Arkopal Goswami from IIT Kharagpur. Professor Bhargav Mehta from IIT Kharagpur. Dr. Manoj Maji, Manoj M from IIT Delhi. Professor M. Parida from IIT Roorkee, Dr. Mukti Advani from CRI New Delhi, Professor Partha Chakravarti from IIT Kanpur, Dr. Prashant Sahu from BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, Dr. Rahul T.M. from IIT Ropur, Professor Samnath Mathur from NIT, Professor Samson Mathur from NIT Trichy, Dr. Sandeep Chakravarti, so from IIM Ahmedabad. So you can see that we had a mix of people, young as well as the experienced colleague from a wide variety of organizations. So we will be as Professor Raghuram was indicating that we will be taking up the things in a comprehensive manner.
Congratulations to the whole new executive board.
Thank you. So now we'll discuss about the priorities which we had set for next 5 years. So we had divided these priorities in certain sections. So first we'll talk about what related to TRG events. So in that one of the major constitute is that TCT activities. So some of these activities which will be taken by TCTs are organizing the regular workshop, symposia on a specific topic or issues throughout the year across different institutes as well as regional level. So that apart from CTRGs, like there should be enough avenue to participate and associate other colleagues and organize the activities for capacity building with government and industries, like so that we can have a better communication with the government and industry, which are slightly lacking as of now. And obviously, this will also help in like generating resources and revenues. Yeah, and TCT will also.
Mr. Pradeep.
This TCTs will also organize activities related to like students. So it might be like under mentorship of different TCTs. Then other part of activities are holding regular webinars by different TCTs, which might be catering the need of budding researchers, academicians, as well as practitioners. So by these activities, like although these are some of the highlighted activities, through these activities we wanted to focus to involve more and more professionals as well as the young researchers, students in to TRG. And next activity of TRG is like CTRG, which is like the kind of a landmark activity of TRG, where our effort will be to increase the involvement of government departments, industries, and it can be it can happen by organizing various sessions which might be of their interest. So academician, like we are already able to attract enough people, but still like participation from industry and practitioners is still like lot of effort is required to do more. Then efforts will be made to increase the participation from our neighboring countries, which somehow still need to be more effort needs to be done. Then we will also try to have like more publication opportunity, which actually will propagate the Indian researches to rest of the world. Then other activities apart from these two main activities might be conducting activities related to like national missions. So whatever is the government, our federal government is doing, there should be parallel activities or inline activities by TRG, like maybe smart city mission, maybe regional rapid transit system, etc. Then highlighting the significant scientific achievement, contribution, publication of TRG member through various digital platforms. And this will actually able to encourage more and more people to join TRG and like make the TRG stronger. And then organizing joint activities with other transportation organizations like ATPIO, CSIR, maybe like EAST, WCTR. So these are like the activities which we had planned for next 5 years to take up on priority. Then we thought of like there should be a special effort to involve more young researchers, academicians, and practitioners to the TRG. And this can be achieved through various regular TCT activities, either through student symposium, training program at local level, at institutional level, at regional level. Then conducting special activities for budding researchers, maybe like hackathon, doctoral research symposium, and a workshop, and to the various topic which is like needed, which is the need of that time. Then organizing focused and industry based event, capacity building program, focus A to B meetings. So these activities like will help us creating a better bond between the industry and TRG. Then TRG can also help in providing platform for exchanging ideas for collaborative work for their like members. And these activities can be multi-level. It can be like held at institution level through various members through TCTs, or it can be at like local level or regional level or maybe global level. So these activities might be in a different level, that everything is not like necessary that each activity has to be a global level. Because every India is a vast country and every region has its own priority or like challenges. Then other area where TRG we need that like we need a more focus, that involvement of government organization and industry to TRC. So we are able to encourage the young researcher, academician from different leading institutions who are dealing with the transportation as a curriculum, but still a better liaising with the government organization is required, like in various activities like workshop, capacity building, professional assignment. So this can be the provide a better avenue to work with the government organization as well as the industry. So we can involve the government organization and industry to various TRG events, so that like it can we can showcase the TRG achievements, TRG activities, and this will like help in like getting a better recognition or association with such organization. Then TRG can also work with other organizations like maybe WRI, WSP, LNT, to name few. There might be many. So depending upon the opportunity, we can work together to reach to the wide audience, to work for a common interest. Then other focus area which some of keynote speaker are also highlight, and we also felt that although being a large country and currently there are a large number of institutions which are dealing with the transportation related subject, but still our membership is not that great. So we might be launching a special membership drive at maybe at different level, maybe at regional, local level, and global level, involving more and more like dynamic TRG members to reach out to all other people and encourage them to join the TRG. Then awarding membership to the exceptional researchers. So that can be another avenue to attract the exceptional good researchers to the TRC. And assigning membership drive responsibility to active members who can motivate or who can encourage the other young colleague to participate in TRG activities more actively. And other aspect where we need to constantly work on that, like, and to make the TRG sustainable is like the resource generation. And we believe that resource generation can be done through various activities like maybe training courses, certification, workshop throughout the year, which can like help in generating resources which can be fed into certain other activities of TRC. Then other avenues are like maybe conducting summer internship, consultancy assignment. So maybe so those can be other avenues which can be exercised. Details can be like formulated later on based on the like opinion sought from the EP. Then participation in national and international call for proposal. That is the other avenue to like generate resources, which even some of distinguished speaker has already highlighted that like TRG should take part in such endeavor. Then TRG will also promote like kind of data sharing among the various organizations, which is like the currently needed, because in most of the transportation researches, we need these kinds of valuable data, which might be available in bits and pieces and at different individuals or different organization level. So we can provide platform or encourage people to share the data among the colleagues, among the TRG members or participants. Then the TRG outreach activities. So in order to like reach out more and more people. So now we'll be like working through the various social and digital media, through newsletter, through various posts. Now we had a special committee, which is a social media and outreach committee. That maybe like Professor Verma will be giving brief maybe during the launch of newsletter. So that members are quite energetic and dynamic. They are constantly working on to make this channel active, which was like not that dynamic previously due to various constraints. Then organizing a special session in various leading conferences like maybe TRP, WCTR. So that will help in TRG to reach out to more and more audience. And other avenue could be like organizing the various activities at local level and national level, which we had highlighted earlier. And that is all from our side, like which we will be focusing as a like new executive board member. And now back to you, Professor Verma.
Thanks, Professor Maurya, for giving a very comprehensive vision for next 5 years, how the new executive board would like to take forward the activities. And I'm sure from the keynote speeches and other esteemed speakers who gave extremely valuable sessions, I think we can also reflect and take them seriously into consideration and see how we can incorporate those suggestions. And there are also very useful suggestions that have come in the chat of this meeting. We can definitely archive these sessions and take them for consideration by the new executive board. Among the new, of course, all members of the new executive board are extremely, it's a good mix of young energy and experience. Professor Parida is also one of the very experienced members of this group. If you would like to give a quick reflection from your side, Professor Parida, and how your experience, of course, can benefit the new executive board.
Thank you, Ashish. In fact, we have got very nice feedbacks. Just like Partha talked about consolidation of education and research in different NITs, IITs. I'd like to mention that IIT Roorkee has 9 faculty colleagues in transportation engineering. Plus, we have a center for transportation systems. So I believe that it has been possible to sensitize people. As Professor Raghuram said, there are many areas which are untouched, and probably we have to expand to other organizations. So railways is one. So right now, like depending on the members available, we are trying to engage. So I'll say that we started the discussions, education, research, but translation is also very important, and internationalization. When it comes to translation, we can engage very actively state governments and municipal corporations because those are the units where their capacity is very, very limited. And I'll say that we have got very wonderful feedback from all the keynote speakers and all others, those who are present. So we'll take ahead those points and definitely try to address all the objectives, all the agenda which has been sent in front of this new executive board. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Parida. And yeah, having you in the board, of course, along with all the young, energy and minds, definitely would give the right balance and the maturity to take these activities forward. And thanks for being part of the new executive board. I'll again request now back to Professor Maurya to release the newsletter that they have prepared, the new editorial team and their work. Professor Maurya.
Thank you, Professor Verma. So let me share my screen again. So just let me see whether.
Yeah, it is visible.
So just like this is a sincere effort by a sincere effort is put by social media and outreach team to bring out this newsletter. Which Professor Verma has started long back, but like due to certain other constraint, somehow it was not a regular basis, but now we are trying our best to make it a regular event so that like maybe we can keep disseminating our TRG activities to a wider audience. So now I'll scroll down. The theme of this like newsletter is Dr. Ankit Katuria from IIT Jammu, Dr. Anuj Budhkar from IISP Shivpur, Dr. Anil Kumar Bachu from IIT Patna, and a student member Harpreet Singh from IIT Jammu.
So congratulations to the new editorial board, and thanks for taking up this responsibility.
Yeah, should I scroll the newsletter?
Yeah, you can just quickly scroll through. Of course, this will be emailed to all members.
So then this second page has the message from Professor Verma and myself, and third page has like the details of new executive board members, and the fourth page is basically talking about all the TCTs, technical committees which we have, highlighting the depth and width of the TRC, like how we are covering the wide spectrum. Then it has like CTRG because it's a decennial year celebration. So this newsletter also has compilation of that CTRG evolution. Is starting from CTRG 2011, 2013, 2015, then 2017, then 2019, which we held in Bhopal, and introduction of 2021, which is going to be held in December. Then a glimpse of past activities of TRC. Some of them are highlighted, only the selected ones. So some of them are listed and explained by Dr. Verma in the initial remark. So like transportation, TRG FSL session at WCTR, roundtable session at IAC, TRG India webinar series, which he had already mentioned. Then the last place highlight the sponsorship opportunity for CTRC, 6 CTRC, and this is like the official journal of TRC. Editor-in-chief is Professor Partha Chakravarty. So and these are our official details to reach out to TRC. So I invite, or maybe I request all of the people who are present this to participate in coming CTRC. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Professor Maurya, for reigniting this whole effort of newsletter, and I'm sure with this whole new and young dynamic team in editorial team in place, I'm sure we'll be very regular with this newsletter, and as well as, of course, the new team will be able to bring more innovative ideas and more creative way of communicating through this newsletter.